Hi everybody, my name's Jane. I'm going to talk to you today about this scarf. I fell in love with the bamboozle yarn at Knit and Stitch show a couple of years ago. It was the range of colours within it and the different thicknesses of the yarn that caught my eye. So I bought a couple of balls and decided to make this long row scarf because I thought that suited it best, and with lovely tassels at the end. Before I move on to showing you how to make the tassels, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the yarn. It's got some bamboo cotton in it, and that's what I like about it. It's about 45%, I think, of bamboo cotton, and that gives it an extra really nice feel to it. You work it with a number 6 hook. I like a large hook, so you're working the large hook even though you've got the thin yarn and the thick yarn, and it's a real fun project. Good for beginners,